Hi and welcome to Wpmet. Here in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use Facebook feed of ElementsKit plugin. First of all, you have to go ElementsKit, after that Elements and scroll all the way down and make sure the Facebook feed is activated. After that, click Save Changes and scroll up. Then you have to go User Data and there you'll find the Facebook feed form. In this field, you have to put your Facebook app ID and the app access token. Let me show you how you can get these credentials. In the first step, you have to go developers.facebook.com. After that, log in there. After you log into Facebook developer page, go to My Apps. If you haven't created any app, you need to create one. Click Create App, choose for everything else. After that, you have to provide your app name, app contact email, and if you have a business manager account, you can use the third option. After that, you have to click Create App ID. Then you'll face a security check. Click I'm not a robot. Then you have to solve some questions. After that, click Submit. Then you'll end up to the product page. From there, go to Tools and click Grab API Explorer. Now in the right side, you'll find Facebook app, user or page. Now from the Facebook app, select your app, and from the user or page, select Get Page Access Token. After that, a new window will pop up and you'll also see your account. Click Continue as your account, select your page, then click Next, then click Done. OK. And there you'll see two permissions has been allowed. The first one is Pages Show List and another one is Pages Read Engagement. We have to add two more permissions here. The first one is pages _ manage engagement and the second one is pages read user content. Alright, click generate access token. Continue with your account, select your page and click next. Done? OK. After that, you'll find the newly added permissions in black color. Now from the user or page options, select your page, copy the access token and paste it into the ElementsKit. After that, click Submit and copy the ID. Paste it into the ElementsKit ID section. And the final step here is saving the changes. Now open any page with Elementor Page Builder. After that, search Facebook and there you'll find the Facebook feed by ElementsKit. Drag and drop the feed on your page and there you'll find your Facebook feed is working. In the left side, you'll find some options like Grid Style. From here, you can select List, Grid, Masonry, or from the column grid you can select up to 4 columns, and from the show post you can select post you want. For example, I want to show, and there you can see I can see only 3 posts here. If you go to the display setting, there you'll find show author. If you disable it, the author won't show. And then you have some other options like author style, show date, show footer and show comment. If you go to style, you'll find more options to work with this style, like the gutter, margin bottom, and so on. So this is how you'll be able to add Facebook feed in your website. Thank you for watching this video.